So as you can see, the light there is indicating that I need more black toner in my printer. So I bought this black toner here. It's a 2-pack, so I only need one for now. Then I'll have one for later. Comes all wrapped up so that it's protected and it keeps you clean of toner. This is what it looks like. You're going to pull off this orange protector thingy. Then the black roller is exposed, so you don't want to touch that on anything before installing it. Take out the old one, put in the new. So upon taking the old one out, I discovered that this new one does not match it. So it's not quite as simple as I thought. When you pull this one out of the printer, you still have to detach the new paint toner cartridge. You want to make sure you don't touch this black roller on the back, because if you get smudges on that, that's going to affect your prints. There are picture directions right there on the old cartridge, but it's not the most clear. So we're going to look it up on YouTube. So he said it's as simple as pushing this little tab right here, and then, oh, yep, just lifting that out. Oh, carefully. It's really easy to drop. So there's the old one. Here's the new one. Carefully putting this in here. Okay, that's how it goes. But this thing goes in there, and I think the key there is, see that little round thing right there? There's a round thing on that thing. It needs to make sure you slide it into there like that. That's the key to this whole thing. Because once you got that in position, you can kind of twist this thing into position. Kind of funky, not the easiest toner cartridge to change, but I think it's good now. And then it says to do this. I have no idea why. Maybe that's to like clean the roller, maybe? Guessing that might be to clean the roller. So, all right, then you just put this thing back in. Close up the printer, then it's good to go. So, like I said, not the easiest toner cartridge to change, but that's how you change it. So I'm going to print a test page real quick and make sure it looks good. It takes a minute for it to recognize the new cartridge. I guess to test it, make sure it's all set up correctly. Working? Now it's working. For some reason it was stuck on, didn't have toner, so I had to reinstall the printer. Now it's working. There is a test print. If for some reason it says that it didn't work, that there's no toner for some reason, just uninstall your printer, reinstall it, and then it should work. So there we go. The black looks good. The text is crisp and clear. Save a few bucks. This is cheaper than the manufacturer's toner, and it works. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.